Hello, my name is Rudolf Nagel. I'm from South Africa. I'm a hard-working guy that's willing to upgrade my skills and learn more about farming. My ex- I can work also independently and as a team member. My experience on farms, working on John Deere tractors. I can also operate semi-trucks, working on yellow machines. I can also do irrigation systems. Harvesting I can do. I did corn, grey, grass, tomatoes, watermelons, peppers, and my goal in life is just to get better and learn more about stuff that I don't have the knowledge for.